What is up guys, this is Tito back with another video, and today in this video I'm gonna be doing a complete review of these Redmi earphones. And this is the cheapest earphone that you can get from this Xiaomi or Redmi brand. Right now it is about 400 rupees, and yes, I did buy it for about 400 rupees from Flipkart, or you can get it from Amazon or even me.com. I'll put the links in the description box below. If you're buying these headphones, do use those links. Yes, I did the unboxing. You can check out that video from the card right there. I have been using these headphones, which are of course these ones, and here is my full review of these Redmi earphones. So let's begin. I got the red color because I kind of did not have a red colored earphone, so that is why I got this, and this is how it looks in the ears. You can see even up close. So I would say the headphones colors are pretty fine for the price, but if you really consider the design of these headphones, well, these are not angled or something, which I said on the unboxing video of course, and I would say the design is not something that will definitely impress you. It does feel cheap, a lot cheaper than 400 rupees headphones of course, and here when I'm talking cheap, I would say it does feel like it's 200 rupees kind of build quality that you can get with any Chinese earphones. And the build quality, I would say, does not feel good, but it is actually good. Like when you use it, you're gonna see in a lot of things it does make a difference. It does not have those braiding or something on the cable itself, and I would say that is a good thing, because let me just show you what does this braiding does to the other Xiaomi headphones like the Mi Dual Driver headphone. So as you can see over here with the braiding, it actually gets almost torn and wrinkled over here on the cable, but with this it does not happen. As you can see, even if I do this and try to do this, it straightens up the cable. As you can see, just look at this, it's straightening up the cable. So this is what I'm trying to show here. But if you do this with the braided cables, your headphones are gonna just rip off from that part. So that is why I like that there is no braiding, and this in my opinion is a very simple earphone that you can get for 400 rupees. Now the first thing which I have noticed with these headphones right after switching from Mi Dual Driver headphones, well, the comfort of these headphones are a lot better, since these earphones are a lot smaller than any other Mi Dual Driver headphone or those kind of previously the Mi Basic headphones. Even from those, these are very light and very much smaller than those ones. So that is why it is very comfortable to sleep with these headphones. You can put them on and you can just go to sleep, not like that Mi Dual Driver earphone where it is like a big metallic stuff coming out of your ear, and it's really uncomfortable to if you're putting your head on the bed just on this side or right side. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to make a point here, that you can put them on and go to sleep without any issues. That is one thing that I have noticed with these earphones. And yeah, I did go to sleep with these earphones the whole night, and it did not hurt my ear at all. So that is why I would say for a longer period of time of usage, if you want to wear these earphones for work from home stuff for a longer period of time, yes, you can definitely get these. Now let's talk about the bass, and I would say the bass quality is not that something that I wanna post about, but yeah, definitely you can notice the bass, which is I would say is definitely punchier than a lot of other earphones. And even if I compare the bass with the Mi Dual Driver headphone that I have, I would say the bass is really punchier over here, and it does pop out a bit more. This is not a flat kind of sound that you get over here. Vocals, if you want to listen to vocals and stuff, it's gonna be fine, but if you really want to listen to pure music stuff, very flat kind of signature that you would love in your music, this is not the headphone that I will recommend, or this is not the earphones that I will recommend for flat kind of music. So what I'm trying to say here, if you want to listen to music which has a lot of bass, and if you want to enjoy those bass, if you are a bass lover, you're gonna definitely love these Redmi earphones for the price of 400 rupees. Now let me talk about the call quality or the mic, and the mic is surprisingly good over here, and it is very loud, not a problem here with the sound quality. And this is how it sounds like with the Redmi earphones, and I won't do any editing on this part of the audio, and this is how raw it sounds when the mic is over here that you are noticing. So yeah, this is how it sounds with the Redmi earphones mic, and the mic quality is great even in calls, so that's great, not a problem. And it also has like call ending or like pausing or playing music button on this side, so that's not a problem. I was thinking that since these does not have an angle over here, it is gonna be really confusing which one is right, which one is left. The font size of this L and R on these headphones are very small, which is that like something that you are not gonna like read over here all the time, because you're gonna just like get used to that. And on this pair of earphones you're gonna simply like get used to with the right kind of button kind of thing. So if you see the button over here or the mic is on this side, that is gonna be the right side for you, so you're gonna plug that in your ear pretty easily, not a problem. You don't have to read it out every time since it does not have any kind of angular shape. Now let's talk about the fittings. I would say the fittings are very well like this, but definitely the fittings does feel a lot cheaper if you compare it with any other earphones like the Mi Basic or even the Mi Dual Driver headphones. Definitely it does feel, the fitting does feel a little bit cheaper. And if I put a finger on the like sides over here, it does make a little bit of like weird noise when I am pushing it in. So yeah, it does feel a lot cheaper. The ear tips are not that of a good quality over here, that's what I think. Now one issue I faced over here, I faced it with the K20 Pro. I'm not gonna say that it's gonna happen with every other earphone and every other device. And here that issue was like when I'm plugging in these earphones on the jack right here, sometimes the sound goes really low and sometimes like the other party could not hear me on the call. So that was weird with these Redmi earphones, and I have to like plug it out and re-plug it in, then the sound will be like to the fullest and like becomes loud and clear. But sometimes the sound goes low, then you would know that the mic won't work at that point of time. So sometimes that I have seen, I have to remove these earphones from the jack, then I have to put them back to get it working. It never happened with me with the Mi Dual Driver headphones. And again, if you're gonna say that these earphones look cheap, I won't disagree, it does. And of course, there is no magnets. Don't expect that. As you can see, no magnets on these earphones. So yeah, that's how it is. It's just normal like earphone. And it does have this 90-degree angle jack, so that is helpful if you're putting these in your pockets or something. It won't like something won't just like damage these earphones very quickly. So that's good, and you can rotate it to any angle. So yeah, that's good. And it has this like 90-degree angular kind of jack. Now let me talk about the details of the sound quality. Well, I would say the sound is not like too wide open or something. It is kind of crammed a little bit, but yeah, it definitely does not sound as open as you would sound like it would sound with any other good earphones. But you can't really complain because these earphones are 400 rupees again, and those earphones like the Mi Dual Driver headphones and even like other categories of the headphones like the Sennheiser CX180 or something, I forgot the name, but yeah, those kind of earphones are really like expensive if you compare it with this 400 rupees earphones. Definitely it's like double the price of these ones, so you cannot really complain much about that. If you're going to compare with those kind of stuff, that's just not going to happen, and it's not justice to do that. Now if you're still confused, if you're someone who listens to a lot of Bollywood music or any kind of like bass heavy Indian music which has kind of dance kind of stuff, you can definitely go with this. It won't disappoint you a lot or something. But yeah, definitely don't expect huge amount of good quality of sound with these earphones. Your expectations should be like medium. But if you're someone who listens to a lot of international kind of music, or you do really professional work or something, I won't recommend doing that on these earphones. Like if you listen to Daft Punk 20 SYL or Deadmau 5, those kind of music tracks, because you will just miss out on the details of those musics. So that's what I'm trying to make a point here, that if you're someone who is very nitpicky and audiophile pretty much, these headphones are not for you. These are very basic kind of usage headphones, but the call quality has been great, and other things like for normal usage for a basic earphone, if you need for 400 rupees, I wouldn't say it is too bad. So that's what I think about this Redmi earphones. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. This is Tito from KD and Tech signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye now.